Ready to run a successful dropshipping business with almost $0? Go to Shoplazza.com and start selling online now. You can find winning products from all sources and lock the best suppliers with no effort. Import thousands of products and edit them with just one click. Optimize your SEO to get your products discovered by potential customers. Need to build your store fast and easily? Get an exclusive template designed for dropshipping. You can launch your store in minutes without coding. Choose the best local payment to build a faster checkout experience for your customers. Track the order status from your dashboard. Make insightful decisions with analytics reports and get more sales. You can do so much more with Shoplazza. Boost your sales by offering coupons and deals. Sync your products to social media and grow your business online. Now start your dropshipping business with Shoplazza.